This video shows how to assemble these models of telescoping base stands. Check that you have all the base stand components. You can assemble the base stand with a few simple tools. To start, extend the legs to achieve your desired height. Then, secure them using the hardware shown here. Extend and secure all 4 legs. Set the crossbar inside one of the end panels. Then connect them using the hardware. Attach both end panels and position the base upright. Safely place the biosafety cabinet on top of the stand. Attach the front mounting brackets to the cabinet. Attach the same brackets to the base stand. Attach the rear mounting brackets to the cabinet. Attach these brackets to the base stand as well. Ensure all 4 brackets are attached.